Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this copper and green eyeshadow look using my Urban Decay Ammo Palette. So if you'd like to see how I did it, then just keep watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my lids. I am using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I'm just going to smooth that all over the lid. Now I'm using my ammo palette. The first color that I'm going to be doing is called Chopper, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid up to the crease area. The next color I'm using is going to be the color Mildew, and I'm just going to put that on the outer portion of my eye, like the outer V, and kind of drag that up above my crease area as well. Then I'm taking my fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend all the harsh lines out and also drag that color up above my crease. And repeat the same thing on the other side as well. The next color I'm going to be taking, I'm actually using two colors on the outer part. I use Smog and I also use Oil Slick, and I'm just going to put that on the outer V to deepen and intensify the eyeshadow that I put on. And then once I have it on there, I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything out. Then I'm going back on my lower lash line. I'm taking the color Chopper that we used, and I'm just going to line my lash line with that color. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone. I'm going to be using the color Polyester Bride, and I'm just going to put that on my brow bone, and I'm going to drag that down to my inner corner as well. Now lining my lids, I'm using my Revlon liquid liner in the shade Blackest Black per usual, and I'm just going to line my top lid, and I'm also going to wing out the eyeliner as well. So just wing it out. I didn't do anything super dramatic. Well, at least I don't think it's super dramatic, but I just winged out the bottom, or excuse me, winged out the top eyeliner. And to the other side as well. Now it's time for lashes. I just want to curl them, and today I'm going to be using, I tried a new mascara. It's by Maybelline, the Falsies Big Eyes. It has one for your top lashes, and then it has a small brush for your bottom lashes as well. So I figured I'd give this a whirl. It's supposed to make your eyelashes look longer, which is essentially the look I'm trying to achieve, so I figured I'd give it a try. I do like it. It seems like it does make my eyelashes a bit longer than they usually look. I don't know if you can tell, but I do like that. So I'm just gonna coat my eyelashes with this, and then I'm gonna do the bottom ones as well. And onto the bottom. Sorry it cut off for whatever reason. It wasn't really in frame, but I did do both my bottom lashes. So now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil, and I'm just going to be warming up the sides of my forehead and also my cheek area. And then I'm going over top of that with my Cargo blush in the shade Beach. I guess I didn't get that on film either. And I'm going in with my Physicians Formula highlighter, and I'm just going to put that on the bridge of my nose and the upper portion of my cheeks. And onto my lips. I am also using something new here. I have my Revlon Color Burst. It's a balm stain. It is in the color Honey, and I'm just going to put that all over my lips. Then I'm going over top of that with my Mega Shine Lip Gloss by NYX. It's just a clear lip gloss, and I'm just putting that over top of my lips. And that is the completed look, my copper and green eye with my pink lip. If you like what you saw, thumbs it up, comment below, subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.